Now from the News 3 studios, this is Local Living.
Hey everyone, do you have a hazardous electrical panel in your home? How do you even know if you do, right? Welcome to Local Living. I'm Courtney Perno. My next guest is Harrison Fakis with Electrocode, and he says you just might. We don't know it though. That's really scary. So tell us a little bit about our outdated electrical panels.
Yeah, so I like to say it's the heart of our house. So if we don't go and assess the electrical panel, we will never know. But what we are looking for are certain panels that are no longer UL listed. So they're not code compliant, and they cause fires, and they're outdated. And two of the biggest notable ones are going to be Federal Pacific panels and Zinsco panels.
Okay, that's the name brand. It might be like on my panel?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and they're labeled, and they're going to have a readily available, there's different push locks, different types of busing, split busing, but they are hazardous. They cause fires. They don't trip when they should. Other notable ones would be Sylvania panels, older Challenger panels, fuse panels. We might have come across those where you spin your little fuses in and out of them. But yeah, those are really things
I gotta tell you, I have no idea about anything that you're talking about, right? You're talking about split busing and things like that. Are you talking about the panel that I kind of turn on and off sometimes? Okay, that's the panel you're talking about.
Yes.
And then if we go there and we see some of these names listed there, we might have a hazardous panel. It sounds like we just need to call Electrocode, right? And then your technicians come out and do what?
We'll do a full electrical assessment. So we call it the 4 quadrants. It's the electrical panel, the breakers inside the panel, grounding systems, and then the home safety systems like smoke detectors, GFCIs, AFCIs, things of like that.
So much more than what we even think about. All I know is that my light is working or it is not working. But that's what I love about Electrocode is you guys really dig deep and make sure that the safety aspects are there, the things that we don't worry about until they go wrong. But you're always there being proactive, and that's what I love about it. So the breakers, that's the word I was trying to think about there. The breakers, the grounding, something we don't think about. Why is all of this important?
So all of this is important in properly operating your electrical system. So it's, like I said before, electrical can work wrong for a long time. And when those safety components aren't there and we need that ground fault protection, or we need that grounding back to earth, and it's not there, it can go through you instead of to earth.
Don't want that.
So everything that's in the code book, it's minimum requirements. We like to aim a little bit above that. And starting from the heart of your home, which is your electrical panel, is where we need to start.
What about the benefits of upgrading, right? Upgrading to more of these more modern panels.
Yeah, so we have a higher demand today. So a lot of things are electrical, your ovens, your ranges, your washer and dryer, EV chargers, just to name a few. There's a lot going on. Our phones, our computers, and there's components in there that are putting a longer strain than these older systems are used to.
Well, you think about it, my house that I just bought was built in 1954. It was a lot different electrical demand, I think, in the home than it is right now.
I'd be willing to guess that yours is a 125, maybe even a 100 amp panel. A lot of the new ones are.
But I would trust you to come out and look at it, that's for sure.
We want a 200 minimum. Anytime we go out, we're going to upgrade the ampacity, the capacity, the ampacity, the capacity.
I like that word.
Of what your panel can take. And with an EV charger, a pool, again, any electrical device. They even have electric water heaters. There's so many things that we can do to make things more efficient that it's going to make a bigger demand on your panel.
And quickly, we don't have much time, but how do you keep everybody safe and then them reliable when it's so dangerous? It's a lot of electricity coming through.
Honestly, it's with maintenance. It's making sure that we come out and we test, we make sure they're operating properly, and we tone it out. We've got special testers to make sure that things are going where they're supposed to, and get you all in the clear. And
they can help with that maintenance. They actually have a membership where a technician comes out every 6 months to help you out there and make sure it's all good. You can go online to electrocodellc.com or give them a call, 702-260-4001. Thank you so much for watching Local Living. See you next time.